Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to the Crochet Circle. In this video tutorial series, I'm gonna show you how to make this crocheted lily flower. We will be making this flower today. Well, we're gonna be assembling the flower because we already made the 6 petals that you needed to make and the centerpiece. And today I'm just gonna show you how I assembled it to make this flower. Okay, so let's start again. So I have my centerpiece of the flower and I have my 6 petals. So I'm gonna need 3 for the inner part and 3 for the outer part. What I need to do now is I need to position the end of the inner part a bit down from the petals. So when I'm gonna be wrapping things around, this is already gonna be the stem. So I'm positioning them. Then I'm gonna use my yarn, my end tail of the petal, and I'm just gonna wrap a few times around. Now don't worry about it. This is just to secure the inner place. A nice thing we will be then doing is with the green yarn. So this is now the second one. Again, a bit lower. So I am securing it again with the end tail. So I'm just wrapping a few wraps around. Okay, so that's 2 done. Now I need the third one. And with the third one, I'm just gonna close the inner part and just making a few wraps around. Okay, so the inner part of the flower is now done. So I was wrapping them around. Now for the second part, what I need to do is I need to place each petal in between 2 of the previous row. So I'm taking the petal, placing it in between the 2 petals of the first row. Again, grabbing the yarn and just doing a few wraps. Okay. Now the next one should be again in between the 2 petals of the previous row. So I'm positioning it like this. And with just few wraps, I am gonna secure it. So with a few wraps, I am gonna secure it so it doesn't move when I'm gonna be then using the green yarn for the stem. If you have any other methods how you could do that, or how I could do that better, do let me know. I am willing to learn new things anyways. So 2 done, and I need 1 more up here. Again, I am placing the petal in between the 2 from the inner point, grabbing it and trying to secure it. So just a few wraps. Okay, and this is now the flower done. Well, not completely done, but at least sorted out so much that we can now continue with the stem. Now the stem, it's gonna be a bit tricky to wrap it around because I want the stem to run from the top of the petals, so a bit higher up. And for that I am gonna use just a tiny bit of hot glue to kind of make a nice transition between the petals. So what I'm gonna do here is just put a tiny bit of hot glue so that the transition between the stem and the petals won't be so drastic. So okay, and now I'm gonna use the green yarn, trying not to burn my fingers, and I'm now gonna be going up. So it's okay because there is still the hot glue there that is making a nice way for the petals to lay. And I hope I didn't make myself a knot here, so okay, done now. Okay, so again I'm gonna place the petals nicely, and now I need to wrap. So I want all of these things to be wrapped up. I am squeezing it a bit more because, as I said again, I want the wrap to go up onto the petals. So that's it. And I think that's enough high up. Now I just need to kind of even it out. So I'm just making step by step, going back down. Now that would be easier if I would be using a bit thicker yarn, but that just means I'm gonna do a few more wraps around here and then it should be fine. Now when you are wrapping, try not making any gaps like I have here. That means I need to undo it and go back up. Now this is also the part where I had the hot glue, so just wrapping it slowly down. Okay, and this is much better now. Now, if you want, you can also use, I think it's called florist paper or something like that. It's that like tape that is green and it's about this thick. Just to wrap it a bit more up here, but I'm not gonna be using that. I'm just gonna wrap it with my yarn. Okay, so I'm wrapping it around. And then it's time for me to cut a bit of the white thread away, white yarn away, because I don't want the whole stem to be that thick, but I'm gonna do it gradually, so I'm not gonna cut it all up in the same spot. So here is this, a bit here, and this is it. So now I need to wrap it up a bit more, because then we are gonna attach this flower to the main stem. I think I really need a yarn ball because currently I am rolling around on my chair and driving over the yarn. Okay, fixed it. Okay, so now we are here. The stem is almost done, but what I need to do now is also attach it to one of those main stem wires. If you remember from the beginning when I told you, it's a 1.5 millimeter one and 30 centimeters long, and I'm gonna just add it here in the middle, and it's gonna be secured because I'm gonna wrap it around a lot of times. So I'm positioning the new wire in. You can put it into like a middle of the other wires. And you guessed it, then it's time to wrap things again. So trying to have not or as little white spots as possible. Now, if you are gonna also have some white spots like I have, you can just use also like a green marker and color them in. So no worries about that. Oh, my hand hurts a bit because I am pinching really hard these things so they don't move. Oops. Okay, and I think that is long enough. Let me just focus this a bit more. So yeah, this is long enough.